I'll just trying to do dishes. Trying to put it in the dishwasher. Good boy, LJ. Shane, come here. Good boy, hurry. Good boy, LJ. I'm videoing him, but he is actually trying to put the dishes in there. Look at that.
Good boy, son. Yay. So proud of you. Almost done.
Oh, that was too cute.
There's Coke out there, too.
Is there? Sweet. Trying to get your dish. Grandma. He's actually putting the dishes in the dishwasher. Yeah. Put the dishes away. Put them in there. Where did they go, LJ? He put the spoon in there.
Well, good boy.
I know, I videoed it and everything.
It won't be long, I'll have you trained.
I know.
Well, you can do the morning dishes.
I know.
Evening dishes.
Let's see if I do this one. Give it a second, I'll do it.
No, I gotta keep that. Dirt and all.
That is so I know, finally. But yeah, I couldn't believe it when I saw him trying to put it in there, so I took the spoon out and I got the camera and thought I'd start taping it.